Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to make a game pass on Roblox. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your web browser and in the search bar, search for Roblox. And here is the first website, click to open it. Now here, first you need to log in with your account. Once you logged in, then on the top here, from these options, click on this option, Create. Once you're on the Creator Hub, head over to the side panel and select Creations here. Make sure you're on the Experiences tab, then create or select the experience you want to create a pass for. If you want to add a game pass to something like Please Donate, then you can use the default experience here. In the side menu, scroll down and find the monetization heading. Then in the monetization heading, select the passes option, and then click on Create a Pass. You will see a pass image. This is the default image. You can also change it. Just click on Change button here and upload your image from your PC, and that's it. Now name the game pass here, like I name it Shadows, and you can also add description to your pass. Then simply click on this button here, Create Pass. Now click on your game pass to open the settings, and now here, select Sales. Turn on the Item for Sale option. Then select the box and enter a price. This is how much the game pass will cost. Keep in mind, as the creator, you will only receive 70% of the sale price. Then click on Save Changes here. Now go back to your pass, and then click on these three dots and select the first option open in a new tab. Here you can see your game pass with all of the details. If you can't see your game pass in game, then be sure to refresh them in your game. If your game pass isn't showing in-game, then go back to the Pass This page. And now here on the right side, in Configure heading, select the option settings. And set the privacy to public here. This will make your experience public. Save changes, then refresh your game. You can now make a game pass in Roblox.